All right, hi friends. So we are going to edge some earrings today. What you should see is all of the materials that you will need. So this is going to be our edging thread. I use Wildfire. Some folks don't use this. Use whatever you like, but this is what I like best. I like that I can just boom, bam. I don't have to tie a knot. It's already done for me with just a little bit of heat. So let's get into it. So we have already backed and cut the backing for our earrings. So this is in between here is where you will start for edging. So you'll put your needle and thread in between the two pieces of material, and you're going to come through the front with your needle, pull all the way through. So now we're going to create our base of what I call the mountain when I'm talking about edging. So we're going to start with one bead. You're going to put it from the back all the way through to the front, pretty much exactly where you just put the needle through, and you're going to pull all the way through. Now, to create this flat, we need to go through the bottom or the back of the bead and bring our needle all the way through. And now it lays nice and flat. So from here on out, we're going to be working with two beads. So 1 and 2. And I always like to kind of gauge it as one bead length over, and then you're going to come from the very back all the way to the front. Pull your needle and thread. Now we need to create the mountain, but to create that we need to go through the bottom of that bottom bead. Pull all the way forward. You can fix that little tippy top just by manipulating the bead there, and then pull your thread, and then you should see the little peak. Now I'm going to use some dimension in my edging, so I'm going to add in one of these bigger edging beads. Now, whatever you want for the tippy top of your edging is the one that's going to go on your needle first. So that's why I put the big bead on first. So when I have bigger beads, I like to go over about the length of 3 beads here. Go from the back all the way to the front. Again, we're going through the bottom of that bead there to make the tippy top of our mountain. Okay, and from here on out, we're just working with 2 beads. Super simple, and doing the same thing until we get to the end. All right, let's fast forward.